This is an early morning on the farm, a gentle moment, quietly unfolding. The rain falls steadily from the sky, soft drops meeting leaves, soil, and water. Nothing is rushed, nothing is forced. The air feels fresh and clean, washed by the rain, cooled by the morning breeze. Nature moves slowly here. The trees stand tall and calm, their leaves receiving each drop with patience. Branches sway lightly, as if listening to the rhythm of the rain. This is not just sound, it is balance. It is renewal. Below, the fish pond rests peacefully. Raindrops touch the surface, creating soft ripples that spread and fade. Water meeting water, movement without effort. In moments like this, the farm breathes. The land absorbs what it needs. Quietly, naturally. There is no noise of the world here, no pressure, only the steady voice of rain and the gentle response of nature. The soil drinks slowly, feeding roots hidden below. Life continues beneath the surface, even when unseen. This is how growth begins. In silence, in patience. Listen closely. Every drop has a purpose. Every sound carries calm. Time feels different now. Minutes stretch. Thoughts soften. The mind becomes still. This view is only a small section of the farm, yet it holds deep peace. A reminder that calm does not need to be wide. To be complete, rain nourishes the land, preparing the day ahead. The farm wakes gently, without words. There is beauty in this simplicity. No performance, no expectation, just nature being itself. Breathe in slowly. Let the sound of rain settle your thoughts. Let the rhythm guide your breathing. This is a safe moment, a quiet pause in the day, a place to rest the mind. As the rain continues to fall, the morning remains soft and calm. The trees listen. The water responds. The land renews itself. Stay here, listen deeply, and allow the rain on the farm to carry you into stillness. If this peaceful moment brought you calm, take a second to support the farm. Like the video, subscribe for more quiet mornings, natural rain, and relaxing farm scenery. Your support helps keep these moments alive. Thank you for being here. Simply relax and let the rain continue.